Today we have discussed about redox reaction. So first of all, we have discussed what is the meaning of redox or redox reactions. Do all you know about the chemical reactions? In the chemical reactions, types of reaction is redox reactions, and in the redox reactions, the reactions in which oxidation and reduction both process takes place simultaneously. So actually oxidation plus reduction. The addition of these two reactions are termed as redox. So today we will first discuss about oxidation reaction and then discuss about reduction reaction. So start from oxidation. In our daily life, we come across processes like rusting of object made of iron, fading of the colors of the clothes, and the burning of cooking gas, wood, charcoal, etc. All such process is the example of the oxidation reaction. In all of the reactions, for example, in rusting of the iron, there is addition of oxygen. Similarly, if there is a burning of wood, coal, cooking gas, then in all the process, always addition of oxygen. So we can say simply that addition of oxygen is simply called oxidation reaction. Now, for explain the oxidation in more details, time to time different views are proposed, or we have proposed starting in the old concept. So according to old concept, what oxidation or what is the meaning of oxidation? So first is oxidation simply a reaction in which addition of oxygen takes place. Addition of oxygen, or simply we can say that if in a reaction, if addition of oxygen, then it is termed as oxidation. For example, if we have the example of carbon, it's a solid, then react with O2 gas, and after the reaction product becomes carbon dioxide. In this reaction, the carbon left hand side and the carbon is in the right hand side. We have observed that when carbon left to right hand side, then in the right hand side there is addition of oxygen with the carbon atom. So we can say that in this oxygen, carbon atom is oxidized. Now we are taking up the other examples of oxidation. Magnesium. So magnesium wire or magnesium ribbon, burning in presence of oxygen, the product becomes magnesium oxide. In this reaction, magnesium combines with the oxygen and gives a product magnesium oxide. And the third one reaction is, we have taken the example of phosphorus, that becomes P4. Here is the P4 means atomicity of phosphorus becomes 4 and combined with the oxygen or react with the oxygen, the product becomes phosphorus pentaoxide. So in this reaction, phosphorus also oxidized. And the other example is, if we have the example carbon monoxide. And carbon monoxide will react with the oxygen and the product becomes carbon dioxide. So in this reaction, oxygen takes place of the carbon monoxide. And according to the second concept, there is a removal of hydrogen, also called oxidation. Removal of hydrogen is also called oxidation. For example, we have taken the example of hydrogen sulfide. It gives hydrogen plus sulfur. So in this example, left hand side, sulfur bonded with the hydrogen atom, but in the right hand side, sulfur is not bonded with the hydrogen atom. So we can say that in this reaction, sulfur removed hydrogen. So in this example, sulfur becomes reduced, or the reduction, sulfur becomes oxidized, or the oxygen takes place of the sulfur. Similarly, we have taken up another example. If we have the example of hydrochloric acid, that becomes HCl, and when it will react with magnesium dioxide, that is MnO2, and after heating, this one gives MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2 gas. In this reaction, if we are considering the concept of removal of hydrogen, and you can say that HCl, in the HCl, Cl atom bonded to the hydrogen atom in the left hand side, but in the right hand side, that becomes converted into Cl2. It means in the right hand side, Cl is not contain hydrogen atom. So in that reaction, removal of hydrogen of HCl. So we can say that oxidation occurs of the HCl. We have taken another examples. If we have taken the hydrogen sulfide H2S, which react with oxygen, then after the reaction it gives the product becomes water plus sulfur. In this reaction, if we have taken the left hand side sulfur bonded with the hydrogen, but in the right hand side sulfur is not bonded with the hydrogen. So so in this reaction, removal of hydrogen also takes place, and we can say that oxygen takes place of H2S. Now, according to third concept, oxygen is also considered, that is the removal of electropositive elements. Removal of electropositive elements. Electropositive elements are those elements which can lose electrons and form cation easily. Most of the metals comes in category, so we can say that electropositive elements are most of the metals. For example, we have taken the example of potassium iodide, that is Ki, react with Cl2, and after the reaction it gives 2KCl plus I2. In this reaction, left hand side, the iodine bonded with the potassium, that is the electropositive element, and in the right hand side, iodine does not have any electropositive element. It means in this reaction, removal of electropositive element from Ki, that is potassium removed from Ki, that is the electropositive element. So we can say that in this example, oxygen takes place of Ki. Now, last the fourth concept. Oxygen is also called addition of electronegative element. That is the addition of electronegative element. Now, what about electronegative element? Electronegative element means elements which have electron accepting tendency. Means elements which can gain electrons are termed as electronegative element. So most of the non-metals are called electronegative element since they have electron gaining tendency. So the element gain or add the electronegative element, that process termed as oxidation. For example, if we have taken the simple example of iron, that will react with Cl2, and here is the Cl2 is electronegative element and iron is the electropositive element, and after the reaction the product becomes ferric chloride. In this reaction, if we are talking about iron, the left hand side iron does not contain an element, but when we go in the right hand side, so iron contains electronegative element Cl. So we can say that in this process oxidation takes place of iron. These are the four whole concepts for explaining the oxidation. Now we have discussed old concept about reduction. The process of the reduction. Here are the old concept about reduction. According to first old concept, there is an addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen. For example, hydrogen plus sulfur. After the reaction, it gives H2S. In this example, if we are talking about sulfur, Then left hand side sulfur does not contain any hydrogen atom, but in the right hand side sulfur contains 2 hydrogen atom. It means addition of hydrogen. So we can see that reduction of the sulfur means sulfur becomes reduced. And we have the example of Cl2. It is react with H2S, and after the reaction it gives product HCl plus sulfur. In this reaction, if we are talking about Cl2, then left hand side Cl2 does not contain any hydrogen atom, but after the reaction it forms the product HCl, and in the product HCl, Cl have hydrogen atom. So in this reaction we can say that reduction takes place of Cl. Now second whole concept of the reduction, removal of oxygen. For example, we are taking the example of H2O react with coke, and after the reaction the product becomes carbon monoxide plus hydrogen. So in that reaction, if we are talking about H2O, so right hand side oxygen contain or hydrogen contain oxygen atom, but in the right hand side hydrogen does not contain any oxygen atom. So we can say that removal of hydrogen from H2O. So in this reaction reduction takes place of the H2O. Now another example of this category is zinc oxide react with hydrogen. After the reaction it gives Zn plus H2O. In this reaction zinc oxide is reduced. Similarly, if we have the example of magnesium oxide, after the reaction it gives magnesium plus O2. In this reaction magnesium oxide also reduced since it loses the oxygen or removal of. Now the third old concept about reduction is addition of electropositive element. For example, we have taken the example of Cl2 react with magnesium. After the reaction it gives the product becomes magnesium chloride. So in this reaction if we are talking about Cl2, then Cl2 in right hand side bonded with the magnesium. So we can say that in this reaction Cl2 is reduced. Another example, for example I2 plus Hg. After the reaction it gives mercuric iodide HgI2. In this reaction Hg is electropositive element, and left hand side iodine does not contain any electropositive element, but right hand side it contains electropositive element Hg. So we can say that iodine becomes reduced. Now the fourth last concept of the last old concept is the removal of electronegative element. For example, we are taking the example of ferric chloride. After the reaction it gives ferrous chloride plus Cl2. In that example Cl is the electronegative element and Fe is the electropositive element. After the initial the reaction iron contains 3 Cl. 1 FeCl3 molecule contains 3 Cl, and after the reaction 1 Fe molecule contains only 2 Cl. So here is the removal of electronegative element. So we can say that iron becomes reduced in this reaction. Now these are the some old concepts about the oxidation reduction. Now we have discussed about the new concept or modern concept. Modern concept of oxidation and reduction. The modern concept is also called electronic concept. And according to the modern concept or electronic concept, those chemical reactions in which an atom, ion or molecule loses electrons are known as oxidation reactions. It is also known as de-electronation, removal of electron or DE. D means removal electronation. For example, we are taking the example of about atoms. For example, sodium. After the reaction, it gives sodium plus by the removal of single electron. Magnesium, it gives Mg2 plus by the removal of 2 electrons. Aluminium gives aluminum plus 3 by the removal of 3 electrons. And next about iron. We are taking the example of iron plus 2, that is ferrous. After reaction, it comes converted into Fe plus 3, Sn plus 2. After the oxidation, Sn loses its 2 electron. The contain plus 4 charge. Similarly, copper, that is Cu plus 1. After the reaction, it gives copper 2 plus by the removal of single electron. Now, if we have discussed the oxidation of about anion. Oxidation of anion according to modern concept. Oxidation of anion. Here the example of Cl negative ion. After the reaction, it gives Cl2 plus 2 electron. In this reaction, anion Cl negative loses its 2 electron, so that will be termed as the oxidation reaction. Similarly, if we have the example of MnO4 2 minus, that is permanganate ion. After the reaction, it gives magnet ion MnO4 negative by the removal of single electron. Oxide ion, after the reaction, it gives O2 by the removal of 4 electrons. Now we have to discuss oxidation about molecule. H2S. After the reaction, it gives 2H plus S2 minus. In this reaction, oxygen takes place of hydrogen since it loses its 2 electron. That is according to modern concept. Now we have discussed reduction on the basis of modern concept. Reduction is the chemical reaction in which an atom, ion or molecule gains one or more electron. This is also known as electronation. Means it's a gaining of electrons. Gaining of electrons or electronation. If we have taken the example of reduction about atom, Cl gain 1 electron converted into Cl negative. In that, Cl is reduced since it gains 1 electron, and sulfur gains 2 electrons. After the reaction, it forms sulfide ion S-2. And reduction about ion, we are having the magnesium 2 plus. If magnesium 2 plus gaining 2 electrons, after reaction it gives magnesium. And if we have the example of lead plus 4 gaining 2 electrons, then here is the charge become plus 4, and after the gaining 2 electrons, the charge becomes plus 2. The next one is dichromate, that is Cr2O7 2 minus. After the reaction, it gives chromium plus 3 ion. In this reaction, basically here is the charge of chromium becomes plus 6, that is converted into plus 3. The charge can be calculated by the help of OS rule, which we have previously discussed. Now the reduction about molecule. If we have taken the example of molecule, for example, if we have taken the MnO2, and after reaction it gives Mn2 plus, and in that left hand side the charge on the manganese becomes plus 4. So plus 4 converted into plus 2. So obviously it loses its 2 electron that can accepted by the oxygen atom. Now we have summarized oxidation reduction, both of the reactions, oxidation and second one is reduction. The first one becomes simply oxidation means addition of oxygen. So simply here is the addition of hydrogen, and the second one is addition of electronegative element. Addition of electronegative element, and the reduction becomes just reverse, that is addition of electropositive element. Now third one is, here is the removal of hydrogen. Now here is the removal of oxygen. Now fourth one is the removal of electropositive element. Now here is the removal of electronegative element. And the last, according to modern concept, losing of electrons. And here is the gaining of electrons. And sixth one is the increase of positive charge. Here is the increase of negative charge. And seventh one is the decrease of negative charge. Here is the decrease of positive charge. So these all are the modern and new concepts about the oxidation and reduction reaction.